Maayong hapon bay. Today is like a very cold Friday. Not very cold, but it's a gloomy Friday for me. Kanang mag-shoot ko wedding karon sa Immerse. I'll be shooting with Marlon. I'm shooting for Single Soul, not my own brand. And yeah, the thing is, it's so gloomy. So gloomy right now. But we're gonna make things happen. Oh shit. Kanang maanoy ko aning muliko ka ba kada mo na ka kanang traffic light kari sa Australia niya. Kung naagay pedestrian crossing, you have to stop and let them go. So that's one of the things you have to take note and make sure to follow na kung naay pedestrian labang, have to give way. That's how it is. Anyway, I'm excited to shoot today. I'm gonna be using my old school A9 cameras, but I'll be using one new lens, which is the 28 to 45. And oh shit, I should have gotten the damn it, I should have gotten the other GoPro, so that I can use it for today. But we'll see how we go. I didn't think of that. Nasa akong auto na ako yung GoPro niya. I'll just try the new GoPro. Yeah, also today a new GoPro was announced, the Action 5 Pro. It's pretty good. I'm not really fond of GoPros, but that GoPro is very good in quality, and yeah, should be alright. Nag-vlog ko niya na ay pulis unahan, bantay-bantay ta. Anyway, yeah, kanang di kay ko ganahag action cam. Feeling nako mura siya kanang soft, mura siya mas nindot pagkuha ang phone ba. So not really a fan, but ever since I've tried kaning Osmo Pocket 3, it's really good. It's like ang quality niya mo on par sa cameras nako, like the RX100. And yeah, nindot siya. But the only thing yang bati sa yaha is di na ko makontrol ang depth of field. And yeah, so on depth of, it's a wide lens, also di na ko ma-zoom kani siya. If GoPro, di sana ko ma-zoom, di sana ko makuan, but it's an action camera. And the nice thing about these new action cameras is makadawat na siya og kanang kuan Bluetooth transmission, so you can talk like this. I'm using my Bluetooth this thing to transmit audio, so it's very good. It's very good. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, mag-drive ako kay para makabot ng tugdali. My ETA is 12:22. We're gonna start shooting at 12:45, so should be good. Yeah. So gina-try ako before buying kanang magamit ko kanang GoPro, magamit ko katong Insta360 Go 3 or katong Action 4 as vlogging cameras, and I'm not really happy with the footage. Feeling na ko murag siya GoPro-ish. It's so wide and it's noisy, and it's not di kay siya impressive pa. But when I got this Pocket 3, that's when I started to get impressed, because the thing is, I can use this for weddings. I've been using this for weddings. Gahapon ako siyang gigamit og live stream wedding, and also I've used this on like wedding shoots good. I shot a wedding and put this in front of me also as a live, a documentary camera. So it's very good. Audio is very good because you can use this. And yeah, the thing is, I really love this camera. And now they've released the new Action 5 Pro, which is so good. Mura siya kanang Action 4, but the quality of the video I've seen nga gi-post is so good. I'm so impressed. It's the same sensor. It would have been nice if kanang 1-inch sensor siya, just like this. But it's really good. Karon ako na convinced na at this day and age, these action cameras can be on par of the mirrorless cameras that I wanted. Like kanisha specifically is like the what you call this, the RX100. Not fully there, but this is just like the RX100, and nakanindot niya is stabilized, so my videos are more stabilized and much better. But anyway, yeah, that's it. So yeah, I'm really interested in getting the Action 5 Pro, but pero kanang lang lagi magbaligya kanang stuff just to replace it, because you can't keep everything. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and drive. Ang akong plano today is just to film whatever is happening, try to vlog without a story. So I'm just gonna wing it because wala ko'y plano nga maghimog story because it's gonna be crazy niya. I don't want to be distracted because today I'm shooting a wedding and I'm freelancing, so it's hard for me. Di ko kaya sobra take time. Time frame is so tight that we need to do. But yeah, forgive me kung pati akong video. But anyway, let's just enjoy the day. Yeah, that's it. So kung release ang kaning DJI Osmo Pocket 4, which is ang sunod ani niya, I'll be very excited. It'll be very cool. But the thing is, I don't want it to be bigger, and I can't afford it right now. So ayaw lang sa because if it's gonna be bigger, it's not gonna be pocket. The only thing I like about this camera here is it's stabilized. It's very good quality, and it's pocket. You can put it in pocket size. It's pocketable. That's how you say it. So nindot gyud ang camera. I really want it. It's not the best, but it does what I need to do. It does what I needed to do. Yeah. So with this thing, I have this small thing also that you could put in the bottom. Kuan siya kanang mas nipis siya. More siya kanang handle extension, and na siya quarter thread underneath. So nakanindot niya is you can use it as your kanang mount sa imong tripod, sa imong kuan, anything, imong light stand or anything that you need to put this on. At the same time, it's a quick release also. Ma-mount ra nimo quick, and it's also an extension. And dili siya pare sa katong padala na extension sa DJI nga taas kayo. Kani saktura. Because the thing is, I'm trying to get used to holding this Pocket 3 without the bottom plate, katong nadtong adapter, but it feels kind of short. More siya mubo gid siya. But the thing is, the good thing about it is kanang pocketable sa siya, gamay siya nga size. So yeah, with that thing, kaning extension, it's just half the size of the OEM one. So yeah, it's nice. So gloomy, cloudy gid siya bay. Hoping ma-okay ni siya later. So this is our view right now. Muna siya. Mga baka. So usa sa mga butang nga gisamuka na ko noon aning Osmo Pocket 3 is that kung naka-connect ka ning transmitter nya kanang kuan, i-on nimo nya, mag-record ka, mag-video ka, mo pop up sa iyang screen nga naay transmitter, and kanang mo cover sa most of the screen nga mag-prompt siya nga naay transmitter. Will give you the power of the transmitter. Madugab ko ha. Will give you the power unsay nabilin sa transmitter, unsa siya naka-connect. The problem is it's gonna stay there, di siya mawala dayon, so you have to tap it. It might disappear, but taod-taod pa, so you need to tap it para mawala siya sa screen. And it's annoying because the thing is, kung nagdali ka, if I'm in a hurry, I need to film something, and ako siyang i-on, and then ako siyang i-press ang record, nakatakop sa screen kung kita sa kugulingan ko nag-vlog ko, or nag-film ko something, naka-film ko view, and then I'm gonna quickly film it, matakop sa screen. It's a bit annoying because you have to tap it. Ano to, quick lang ba? 1, 2, then mawala na yung notification. It would be nice. Or di na lang, pinailay option nga dili mag-notify. That will be fine with me. Anyway, it is what it is. Look at the mountains. Di mo maklaro kay kanang zoom manggug kaayo, good out, layo man kayo. Kung mag-vlog ko bay kanang dili ko mag-vlog. Kung mag-vlog ko bay dili ko kanang prepare something. I just wing it. I just record whatever happens. Kay di ko gusto mag-stress, di ko gusto mag-una og things na akong i-prepare, things na akong i-film. And I'm not doing this as my job. This is just for my kanang recreation, for my diary or something. So I don't want to stress about it. And I'm enjoying doing this. It's making it fun for me na naka-vlog lang kung anything. I don't prepare and I don't stress. Maybe in the future, kung ako na siya himuog yung trabaho, then I might plan everything and do a better vlog. But for now, I'm enjoying it this way. Though di siya klaro, di putol siya, but yeah, it's not giving me any stress. It's not making my life hard, so I'm on for it. Most ani nakapait kung kadang naka-vlog ka ba niya, nag-drive kay bawal mo gud mag-vlog, mag-drive good. una kong ingon nga di na siya dapat, but gibuhat po na ako, ayoko niyo sunda. Anyway, kanang mag-vlog ka, mag-drive, ma-distract ka ba kay nag-drive ka, di ako lito kung kanang kuan in English. Ang akong in English kay wala wrong grammar, wala klaro, hasta gud akong Bisaya sipiat. Nag-peak man akong sound gari, pero sige. Maghilom na ako, mag-drive na ako kay mag-shoot ako ron taon. So nabot ako sa Immerse Bay and we're gonna start shooting now. A bit early, but adto ang kuan sa chapel. And then it's gonna be here also ang reception. I'm gonna start shooting sa reception. Make sure the car's locked. And let's go. So that's everything. Entrance is there. And that's the chapel. Let's go. So, venue's pretty cool today. It's pretty spacious, so it should be right. Oh, really good. Muna siyang venue karon bay. That's the dance floor, and they change everything. It's very spacious now, so good. Yeah.
This will be the least normal shoe I've ever put on.
Good. And just do that. Keep on doing that. Just one sec.
Charlie's a cufflink virgin, but he's doing well. He's doing well.
Conflict virgin.
Weather's nice.
But you're trying to fix it, something like that.
How good's this weather?
Good. Yeah, good. Got it.
Thank you.
Yeah, good. Okay. So what you're going to do, Will's going to face the wall there.
Yep.
And you're going to drop your both hands and it's
Yep.
going to slide it in deep.
Slide it in, yep.
Behind him. Deep,
Slide it
yeah,
in,
yep.
absolutely, man.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
easy peasy.
Okay. So let's go.
Under the button, under the button. You didn't do that both days.
It just so happens to the jacket. Yeah. Huh? Oh yeah. Get a full body shot. Okay, it's okay.
Are we holding?
Okay. Yeah, hold.
Do you want my top button up, I imagine?
Let's do one. Open the jackets for now, because
More casual.
more casual. Yeah. First, look here, and then look at each other. Look at the groom. Good. And looking at the bottles, and then maybe looking at each other. Looking at the groom.
Looking at the groom, of course.
Yeah, good. Lovely. Good. I'm just gonna maybe put the beer in the side here. I'm just gonna do one quick one. Drink. Oh, one more.
Where are we looking when we cheers?
At each other. Yeah.
So also, cheers, drink, and talk about how good or bad it is. And make sure you don't look at the camera and just at each other. And,
Yeah.
Ready and
Cheers.
that's it.
To your left and look to your right, and then look at your favorite. Oh!
It's a trap. It's a trap.
It's a trap. Somebody just goes home and like that. That's this. Good.
Keep fluffing.
Just for the video. Good. Good. I'm good. You good? Okay. That's good. Get a smile. Oh. Oh yeah.
They're very interesting earrings.
Get a smile, but then you're happy.
So happy. Satan's still there. You look like my idiot husband. Traipsing around. I just can't do it.
Here. Just like in the movies. Good.
And switch again.
You'll be able to memorize it now. Good. Dad's coming. Okay, you ready? When I say go. Go. Come in, Dad. Come closer.
12,000 times.
Then look at each other. Any advice? Good. Good. I think we're good. Yep. You texted them. Okay.
Oh, I keep getting caught.
Okay. That's it. Okay, hold it.
Hey.
Okay, once. Keep.
Oh, that's fine.
Just enjoy the moment. That's good. Cool. Okay. And look at both of you looking at the ring. How big it is. Can you go closer with your head? A bit closer with the head. Pretend that you like each other. That's it. Good. And then look at each other. Hey, how you doing? Something like that. Okay, and this time look at each other again. Look at each other again. Good. Lovely.
Oh, yeah, that's a new background.
Good. A bit giggling. Good.
And maybe whisper something in her ear.
Whisper something to Will. Whisper something to her ear. Something dirty like dirty laundry, dirty socks. Good thing you're not mic'd up yet. Good. And then just looking at them. Both of you looking at them. And then again, look at each other again. Look at each other again. Okay. And then look at each other again. Look at each other again. Good. And then look at the dogs. Look at the dogs. Lovely. I got you. Got it. You good, Marl? Okay, this time you guys put your hands on on the pockets, your own pockets. Okay. Everybody has it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this time everybody looking at the couple, smiling, just cheering for them. And both of you, good. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Just kidding. Okay, and we're gonna have one just walking. Everybody just walk slowly. Make sure you're in line, just talking to each other. And we're gonna get that for the video. So yeah, just you don't have to rush walking. We will walk towards here.
And they truly value your presence here. Will and Stacey would like to mention pretty early on that Will would play an important role in her life. She makes their legal commitments. This is where they probably need a little bit of your encouragement to get through this cycle.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, kiss. Louder. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Thank you. Ay, kalakas ng tropa ko. Hey sir, what do you do for a living?
OF. Only feet.
Only fit. What the fucking rocket is that? Is that a ball in the rocket? I don't know. Punta ko sa balay and I'm a bit tired, and the thing is I have a shoot pa tomorrow, so I prepare. I need to back up the files and everything, and muna siya. So see you tomorrow, maybe. Bye.